Hello, good morning. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Spota Home, and now I show you this apartment in the Cabañal. In the first place, we have a living room. We have one sofa and two chairs. And the TV. Now I show you the kitchen. The kitchen is open to the living room. We have one table for breakfast and one table for eat. The kitchen has all necessary. Have a fridge, a washing machine, oven, microwave to do coffee. This is the kitchen and the living room. Now I show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a shower, a sink, and the toilet. And this is the living room. The bedroom has a double bed and one closet. This is all the apartment. I hope when you come to Valencia, have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye.